Drink water. The importance of drinking water in the summer season is your body becomes dehydrated due to the way the body responds to the hot temperatures. It is important for everyone to prevent dehydration by drinking water throughout the day. Exfoliating your skin do help in cleansing the skin, removing the dead cells from your skin and also the blackheads and whiteheads. Secondly, it smoothens the skin and improves the skin's texture to give your face a soft and flawless look. The problem with summers is the extreme heat that dehydrates your body and makes your body skin dry. Dry skin is prone to damage and dullness, and you need to butter it up to make up for the moisture loss. The moisturizer acts as a barrier for pollutants, bacteria, and sunburn. Protect your skin with sunscreen before it gets damaged by the sun, because let me remind you, prevention is better than cure. Sun rays are a cause for many skin issues such as dry skin, brown spots, and fine lines. Choose a sunscreen with SPF and apply it generously on your skin. Aloe vera comes to the rescue for a lot of skin problems. During summers, especially, it turns into a soothing balm, cooling off your skin after a long day in the sun. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory and moisturizing. It calms the skin and nourishes it intensely. Anything that blocks your skin pores is a big no, because clogging of pores leads to skin irritations, infections, and the most dreaded one, acne breakout. Your daily use skincare products have to be non-comedogenic because pore blocking products can cause dead skin cells and bacteria to pile up on your skin. During summers, increase the intake of raw or boiled food. Include as many fruits and veggies in your meals as possible. Go for salads, smoothies, and juices. If you find the video helpful, then please do give a like and share and subscribe to the channel. If you people have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching the video.